For years, people have said that Meta, YouTube, and others are addictive, can hurt mental health. This week, for the first time, a jury found that they were negligent and created a product that was unreasonably dangerous for kids and designed intentionally to addict young users. For decades, tech companies have escaped liability because of something called Section 230. What Section 230 does is it gives really any tech provider immunity from harm that results from the publication of third-party content. As a result, for years, tech companies have been able to evade responsibility for harm that results from their platform. In this case, the plaintiffs were able to get around Section 230 by not focusing on the content, but really focusing on the design and features of the platform. And because they focused on the addictive nature of the algorithm, the court found that Section 230 did not apply. They were not immune, and the case was able to proceed to jury trial. The most compelling evidence was internal emails. Employees at the company raised concerns about the impact on young kids' mental health, body dysmorphia, and other potential harm. And ultimately, those concerns were set aside. Another piece of evidence ultimately compelling for the jury was, despite the fact that Meta held itself out there to only allow the application to be used by kids who were 13 or older, they had lots of users under 13 on the app. They knew about it, and that despite that knowledge, they did not take reasonable steps to ensure that there were features that could have helped prevent addiction, dysmorphia, and other harm. The jury ultimately concluded that Meta made a decision to put profits over the safety of young, vulnerable users. So what happens from here? There are hundreds of pending actions involving tech companies where the plaintiff says that they were harmed because of the features of the product. And this is the first time that the jury has weighed in on those allegations. And so for other plaintiffs out there who've suffered harm and they believe that that harm was because of the features and the functions of this product, I think that this helps their cases moving forward.